Welcome to Learn English Chill.
Hi, do you need help finding something?
Oh, hi. Yes, I'm looking for the pasta.
The pasta is in aisle 4.
Thank you. I'm not good at shopping.
No worries, I come here a lot.
Do you cook often?
Yes, almost every day.
That's great. I'm cooking dinner for my friends.
Sounds fun. What are you making?
Spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Classic choice. Do you have tomatoes?
Not yet. Where can I find them?
Fresh tomatoes are in the produce section.
Thanks. I'll go get them now.
Do you also need cheese?
Oh, yes. I forgot about that.
Cheese is near the milk and yogurt.
You know this store very well.
Haha, yes, I live nearby.
Lucky. I just moved here.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thanks. Everyone seems nice here.
Do you live alone?
No, I have a roommate.
That's good. It's more fun.
True. He's also learning to cook.
You two can practice together.
That's the plan.
Don't forget to get garlic for the sauce.
Good idea. You're a pro.
Just lots of practice.
Do you have a favorite recipe?
I love making chicken curry.
Yum, that sounds delicious.
I can send you the recipe.
Really? That would be awesome.
Sure, what's your number?
It's 555-7389.
Got it. I'll text you later.
Thanks a lot, Anna.
No problem. Glad to help.
Do you shop here every day?
Almost. I like fresh food.
Makes sense. Fresh is better.
Are you done shopping?
I think so. Pasta, tomatoes, garlic, cheese.
Don't forget olive oil.
Oh no, almost forgot.
It's in aisle 5.
You saved me again.
Haha, happy to help.
You should be a cooking teacher.
Maybe one day.
Let's cook together sometime.
I'd like that.
Great, I'll text you soon.
Looking forward to it.
Okay, I better go pay now.
See you around.
Bye, and thanks again.
Thanks for watching.